Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Made Easy with Neha Negi. Today I am here with yet another fantastic video. In this video, I will share 4 different phrases along with their meanings and examples. At the end of the video, I will tell a story using all these 4 phrases. So watch the video till the end. So let's get the ball rolling. Our first phrase is take a toll on. Take a toll on. It means to damage something. In Hindi, किसी चीज का आपको नुकसान करना. Let's take an example. Overthinking जो है आपके हेल्थ पर बुरा प्रभाव डालती है. So we can say overthinking can take a toll on your health. Our next phrase is through a different lens. Through a different lens. It means to see or understand something in a different way. Right? In Hindi we can say कि चीज़ों को एक दूसरे नज़रिए से समझना. Let's take an example. At times we should understand the situation or we should see the situation through a different lens. कि कभी कभी हमें सिचुएशन को एक दूसरे नज़रिए से भी देखना चाहिए. Right? Next phrase is own up to. Own up to. It means अपनी गलती को स्वीकार करना, accept करना, means to admit your mistakes. Right? Let's look at an example. Owning up to your mistake will not make you feel inferior. Is it clear? Next phrase is for the time being. For the time being. It means for now or as of now. In Hindi we say फिलहाल. जैसे कि अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि फ़िलहाल मैं अपने हेल्थ पे फोकस कर रही हूँ. So as the time being, I am focusing on my health. Right? Is it clear? Now it's storytelling time. Okay. Once there was a girl named Sneha. She did not do her homework regularly. One day her teacher asked her to show her homework. She said she did not or she had not completed her homework. Therefore, her teacher scolded her in front of the class. The teacher also tried to make her understand. She said, if you don't complete your homework, it will take a toll on your final exams. She added, for the time being, I'm just giving you last warning. If you don't complete your homework next time, so I will call your parents. When Sneha reached home, her mother saw her that she was upset and asked the reason. Sneha shared everything to her mom. She said, Mom, today I was humiliated by my teacher. I don't want to go to school tomorrow. Hearing this, her mother calmly asked this, tell me, was it your teacher's mistake that she scolded you? Or was it your mistake that you did not complete your homework? Sneha paused for a moment and then said, it was my mistake. I should have completed my homework. Her mother smiled and said, we should always own up to our mistake. Blaming others is not sensible. Afterward, again her mother asked, tell me, if you were in your teacher's place, what would you do? Sneha replied, I would have scolded my students for not completing their homework. Then her mother said, exactly. At times or sometimes, we should see the situation through a different lens. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something from it. Now it's your turn. Create a short story using all these 4 phrases in comment below.